Alright, yo, I'm back again. So the third reason why time is more important than money is because, well, time compounds more than money. Time compounds more than money. And what I mean by that is that a person who starts investing and learning skills, building businesses, and improving their health has a bigger advantage than somebody who isn't doing this over time. Therefore, these are ways in which time compounds a lot more than money. Because the earlier you invest your time, your energy, and your knowledge, the better and further that it'll get you in time. And honestly, this applies to investing, relationships, health, and entrepreneurship. So, all in all, in a nutshell, what I want to say is that money can buy comfort, but time can buy you a life. And that's where wealth is actually compounded and how you grow it. Because time is literally what we're all chasing and fighting for at the end of the day. And people who have lived on before us, perhaps, have designed a system to where we have to use all of our time in thinking that we have to do all these tasks and performances in order to create an abundant living for ourselves and to master our time. Because imagine if they gave us the option to go and pursue a career or to stay home. And most people would choose staying home, but because they made home a place where we have to upkeep and pay bills to maintain, they make us leave our houses in order to buy back our time to stay home. Like, imagine the concept, guys. We buy a house and then we spend most of our days leaving and doing things so that we can take care of our house that we have to leave again every day to provide for. Of course, until we set up systems in place to where we don't have to leave anymore. But then we'll be exploiting other people's time, and that can be a whole nother conversation for another video. Anyways, you guys, these are ways in which time is more important than money. Don't let this go over your head. Buy back your time as much as you can. Buy back your freedom. And I got things flying everywhere, wind blowing and shit. Yeah, buy back your freedom, buy back your time. This is Wealth with Marvin. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.